Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a steamed skate dish. Now skate, if you haven't noticed before or eaten it, is particularly popular in French dishes, but we're going to do it a Korean style today. So we need a pound of skate wings, just giving them a good rinse, and we're going to salt them thoroughly on both sides with about a teaspoon and a half of salt for all of our skate wings. We're also going to make a little sauce for this. So we need to smash up 2 cloves of garlic and give this a nice little choppy chop, along with a half-inch piece of ginger, just mincing this up as well. And we need 1 scallion, both the white and the green parts. We're going to chop up the whites for our sauce and reserve the greens for our garnish. So just go ahead and chop that up as well. Now to a small bowl, we're going to add in half a tablespoon of granulated sugar, along with 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, giving that a little stir, start melting the sugar. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, or regular if that's what you have, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then we can go ahead and add in all of our aromatics and give this a little stir. Last but not least, a half teaspoon of gochugaru, which is Korean chili flake. And we're pretty much ready to cook. Now over on the stove, I have a little steamer set up. I have a rack over my wok, I should say, with about 3 inches of water with a lid, because my plate was too big for my regular steamer. I also lined my plate with a little parchment paper to catch any drips. We're going to go ahead and put it in our plate, cover this up, and let this steam away for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, take off the lid, pour over your sauce, cover this back up, and let this steam for an additional 3 minutes, and that is pretty much this dish done. Fastest dish I've ever filmed or cooked in my entire life. Plate goes back on 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, go ahead and plate this on your serving plate. We're going to garnish with the scallion greens and a shake of toasted sesame seeds for a little nuttiness. And this is looking absolutely delicious. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste. Now this should come right off the cartilage really easily. Look how tender and flaky this is. The fish is so delicate and so light and delicious. The sauce adds savoriness, a little onion, a little garlic. This is so easy to make and so perfectly beautiful. But there it is, Honegojjim or steamed skate. I hope you all try to make this in your own. Thank you so much for spending time with me again today. I appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you so much again, and until next time, happy cooking.